Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index. On the screen I have a V75 on 5 minutes time frame. Now I have four windows. I have the main window. This is my main window. All right. This is window 1. This indicator window 2. And this is indicator window 3. All right. So on the main window, when the red and the blue lines cross down on the trend line, this is my trend line, this black black, green and purple lines. When the red and the blue crosses down, I have a sell signal, and when it crosses up, I can have a cross up around here, I have my buy signal. When it crosses down, red and the blue, when it crosses down on the three other lines, I have my sell signal. When it crosses up, like I have around here, I have my buy signal. If you have it cross down, it's a sell signal. You have a cross up, buy signal. The cross down, like you have around here, it's your sell signal. You have a cross up. Okay, you have a cross up like you have around here, buy signal. Like you have around here, we have a cross down, sell. You have a cross up, buy. Okay, so basically that's the way it works. Cross up, sell, cross down, buy, cross up, sell, cross down, buy. All right, so let's look at the settings for main window. We have fractals for identifying point of price rejection. If the fractal arrow is pointing upward, that means price has hit a resistance level and it may go down. If the fractal arrow is pointing downwards, that means price has touched a support level and it may go up. So fractals basically is for identifying the point of support or resistance, or basically the point of price rejection. Okay, after fractals I have 5 moving averages. I have the 40 period moving average. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to close. Color is green. I have the 42 period simple moving average on the main chart. Apply to close. Color is black. Then I have 38 period simple moving average. Apply to close. Color is purple. These 3 moving averages, the green, the black and the purple, form my trend line. If the red and the blue lines cross down on these three trend lines, I'll have a sell signal. If the red and the blue lines cross up above these 3 lines, I'm talking about the 42, 40 and 38 lines, the green, black and purple lines, then I have my buy signal. So the next moving average is 10, simple. Apply to close, color is blue. This is one of the crossing lines. And the second crossing line is 2 period. The method is exponential. Apply to close and the color is red. So that's that for the main chart. Let's go to indicator window 1. This is indicator window 1. All right, so let's, when you have a cross down, like you have a cross down around here, okay, for indicator window 1, when you have a cross down, like you have a cross down around here, is your sell signal. Okay, like a sell trend, beginning of a sell trend. Then if you have a cross up like you have around here, when the red and the black line cross above the blue and purple lines, then you have a beginning of a buy trend. Okay, let's look at now. This cross down signals the beginning of a sell trend. There's a failed signal for buy trend here because the trend didn't really go up, it failed. So if you have stop loss at that level, your account will be safe. Okay, we have a beginning of a sell trend around here, and we have beginning of a short, very short buy trend, then last long. Beginning of a sell trend here. Okay, and we have the beginning of a buy trend here. All right, now that's for the trend, the start of the trend. That's for identifying the start of the trend. But for the signal on the indicator window one, if the red line cross down on the black line above the 80 level on the stochastic indicator, you have a sell signal. Okay, like you have a sell signal here. All right, red line crossing down on the black line above the 80, and this is your buy signal. Red line crossing up on the black line below the 20. So if red line crosses down above the 80, your sell signal. The red line crosses up below the 20 is your buy signal. Let's look at the settings. We have stochastic oscillator indicator. Percentage K period is 1. Percentage D period is 1. The slowing is 1. Price field is low to high. Method is simple. Now the color of the main style and the signal style will match the background color of the chart. And the levels, let's look at the levels. We have 20 and 80. Color is black. Of course, below the 20, the red line cross above the black line, we have a buy signal. Above the 80, if the red line cross down on the black line, we have the sell signal. So that's that for the stochastic indicator on indicator window 1. We have 4 moving averages on indicator window 1. The first one is the red line, which is a 50 period moving average. Shift is -5. Method is linear weights. Apply to weighted close, and the color is red. Second one is 10 period moving average. Shift is also -5. Method is linear weights. Apply to previous indicators data, and the color is black. Then the third moving average is 250 period. Shift is 0. Method is linear weights. Apply to previous indicators data. The color is blue. And the fourth one is 51 period moving average. Shift is 0. Method is linear weights. Apply to previous indicators data. And the color is purple. Don't forget, for the trend, you allow, like you have the trend here, you have for uptrend, start of an uptrend. As soon as you sight the red and the black line crossing above the blue and the purple line, you should expect price to go up and develop in an uptrend. Okay, for downtrend, when you see the red line and the purple and the black line crossing down on the blue and the purple line, then you have development of a bearish trend. Okay, for signal, the red line crosses above the black line below the 20 stochastic level for you to have buy signal. Sell signal above the 80 stochastic level, the red line crosses down on the black line for you to place a sell trade. So that's that for indicator window 1. Let's look at MACD. Let's look at indicator window 2 where we have MACD. All right. So for indicator window 2, let's look at the settings. Okay, we have MACD. Indicator window 2, we have MACD. This MACD. Fast EMA is 5. Slow EMA is 18. MACD SMA is 5. Apply to close. The main style color is green and the signal color is black. All right, so and the level is 0. Okay, for the moving average, still on indicator window 2, we have 1 period moving average. Shift is 0. Method is linear weights applied to previous indicators data, and the color is red. So let's go to the chart. When the red and the line, when the red and the black line, or the when the red and the black line, this is the red and the black line I'm referring to, when it crosses above the 0 level, we have your buy signal. Okay, when it crosses below the 0 level, we have sell signal. Okay, when the red and the black line crosses down below the 0 level, sell signal. When it crosses up, let's look for where it crosses up. Okay, like there's a cross up around here for us to have buy signal. Crosses down, sell signal. Crosses up, buy signal. Crosses down, sell signal. Crosses up, buy signal. Okay, so I have another cross down around here for us to have a sell signal. Okay, so that's basically how indicator window 2 works. All right, let's look at the settings for indicator window 3. For indicator window 3, we also have another MACD. Now the fast EMA is 5. The slow EMA is 18. MACD SMA is 5. Apply to close. The color of the main and the signal star will match the background color of the chart. Now for the level, we have 0 level. Now aside the MACD on indicator window 3, we have 4 moving averages. The first one is 200 period moving average. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Applied to previous indicators data, and the color is blue. Now the second moving average is 1 period moving average. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Applied to first indicators data, and the color is red. Now the third one is 1 period moving average. Shift is -1. Method is simple. Apply to first indicators data. The color is gray. And the last one is 1 period moving average. This time around, shift is 1. Method is simple. Apply to first indicators data, and the color is gray. So let's go to the charts. When the three moving average lines cross above the blue line, like we have around here, that's our buy signal. When it cross down, gives us sell signal. Okay, cross up, buy signal, cross down, sell signal. All right, so that's basically how it works on indicator window 3. All right, so the combination of signals on all windows, I'm talking about the main chart, indicator window 1, indicator window 2, and indicator window 3. The combination of all the signals will give you a good trade entry. All right, ensure you use stop loss. Okay, ensure you use stop loss. You can backtest this strategy, check it with what has happened in history. Okay, also use this strategy on a demo account. Do not use a new strategy on your live account so that you don't blow your account. Make sure you practice on demo account first. As soon as you get the grip, you can now go live to make some money while trading. All right, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the subscription button so that you get to see our videos. All right, also click on the like button, like our videos. Make comment below the video, ask questions. If there's any question, if you have any question, just state it below the video. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. Also click on the bell button below the video for notification, so that when we release the next video, you'll be the first to see that video on your notification dashboard. All right, you can also visit our website, www.binfxtrader.com or fxfables.com, to see some of our strategies that we have published in the past. All right, so that's that for today's video. Till I come your way next time, is bye for now.